Welcome to Gemara Academy. In this class we will learn Tosfos Dibra Maschel, Maris Nagayim V'chulu. Let's first see what part of the Gemara Tosfos addresses. So we see it's the Mishnah that the Gemara quoted from Masechta Shavuos, where it spoke about the various items that are Shnayim Shehin Arba. So Tosfos specifically focuses on the case of Maris Nagayim Shnayim Shehin Arba. Let's start with the general outline of Tosfos. The Mishnah in Shavuos taught that Maris Nagayim are Shnayim Shehin Arba, two that are four. Tosfos will explain the seeming interchange between Lashon Nekeva and Lashon Zachar. Maris seems to be Lashon Nekeva, and Shnayim is Lashon Zachar. Tosfos will also explain why we only count the total of 4 tzaras when there are many, many more. And in the Tosfos we'll see how this second question comes up in the context that Tosfos is really addressing the interchange between Lashon Zachar and Lashon Nekeva in Maris Nagayim Shnayim. Let's begin and go through the flowchart. Maris Nagayim Shnayim Shein Arba. Says Tosfos, he presents information, but he's presenting it because it creates a problem, so he's going to address this point. Most Sfarim say Maris Nagayim Shnayim. And the point that Tosfos is trying to make here is that even though Maris seems to be Lashon Nekeva, by the number Shnayim it uses Lashon Zachar. Shnayim is Zachar as opposed to Shtayim. And also in Zvachim, in Masechta Zvachim, we also have a teaching about Tzaras, and most Sfarim say Maris, which is Lashon Nekeva, Nagayim, Rabbi Deisa Eimer, Shleishim V'Shisha, 36, it says V'Shisha, not V'Sheish. Shisha is Lashon Zachar. And a Kavi ben Mahalal Eimer, Shivim Ushnayim, 72, he says Shivim Ushnayim, Lashon Zachar, not Shivim Ushtayim. So Tosfos explains that the reason for this is because although Maris sounds to be Lashon Nekeva, the singular of Maris is Mareh. And Mareh is Lashon Zachar as opposed to Mar'ah. So Mareh is Lashon Zachar. And we find another similar example is Machane is Lashon Zachar. And both of them, although they are Lashon Zachar, when it goes to the plural, we don't say Mar'im and Machanayim, but rather we say Mar'ais and Machanais. Like it says by Yaakov Avinu, Va'ata isi l'shnei Machanais. So therefore Tosfos explains that although it seems that there's an interchange between Lashon Nekeva and Lashon Zachar, the truth is that Maris is not Lashon Nekeva, rather it's Lashon Zachar, and therefore we use Shnayim Lashon Zachar. Now this leads to a question, because we quoted a teaching from Masechta Zvachim, where it says that one opinion says there are 36 Maris Nagayim, and another opinion says 72. So why is it that in our Mishnah, in the Mishnah that we quote from Masechta Shavuos, does it only say 4 Maris Nagayim? So Tosfos says, and even though over there it counts many more Maris, the answer is because in Masechta Shavuos it's only counting the tzaras, the Maris Nagayim, that are found on the person's body, and that's limited to the color white, and there's only a total of 4. However, in Masechta Zvachim it's also counting the Maris Nagayim, the tzaras that occurs besides on a person's body, also on a person's head, on a person's hair, and in the home of a person. And as a result, there are many more. So first of all, there are more items that where the tzaras can occur, the body, but also the head and beard, as well as a person's house. And as a result, there's also many more colors, because on a person's hair you have yellow, and a person's home you can have red and green as well. So to summarize the Tosfos explained the seeming interchange between Lashon Nekeva, Maris, and Lashon Zachar, Shnayim. And Tosfos also explained why it is that we only say Maris Nagayim Shnayim Shein Arba, that we only count a total of 4 and not more.